Hello, I'm so excited for you to read with me today. We're going to read two books together. We're going to read Kit, and then we're going to read Kit and Stan. So let's take a look at our first book, Kit. I'm going to listen, and then we're going to read together. Okay, so you're going to read right now, and I want to hear how great you are as a reader. Okay. Good job. Ooh, Kit can run. And there she is running. Okay, I'm going to listen. Awesome job. Kit can skip. Good job reading with me. Here she is. And let's read our next sentence. Great job. Here we go. Kit can flip and flop. There she is. And here's our last sentence for this book. I'm going to listen. Awesome. Let's read it together now. Kit can swim. Perfect. All right. If you want to pause, you're welcome to pause here. Otherwise, if you want to stay, we'll read this next book together. Kit and Stan. Oh, let's look at the cover. Here's Kit. And that must be behind the tree. Yeah, I think so. Stan. All right. Remember, I'm going to first listen to you read, and then we're going to read together. Fine. All right. Let's read it together. Kit ran and hid. Very nice. I know a lot of times we want to say hide, but this is hid. There she is. She ran and hid. Okay, I'm going to listen. Stan ran and got Kit. Nice job reading with me. All right, let's read this. I want to hear you. Good job remembering that that's the word hid. Let's read it together now. Stan ran and hid. Okay, I'm going to listen to you read. Here we go. Let's read together. Kit ran and got Stan. All right, I'm going to listen to you. Awesome. That was so good. Kit and Stan had fun. So I have some questions. Who are the two people, or can we say characters in our book? Who are the two characters? Yeah, we see them right here. Kit and Stan. And what were they doing? Can you tell me? Good job. Yeah, they were playing together. What were they playing? Oh, probably playing hide and seek, don't you think? Yes. Awesome. You did such a good job today. Before we go, I want you to tell yourself, I'm a good reader. I did a great job today. Yes, you did. Awesome. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye. See you next time.